some guys getting ready to go out to fish out there, and it's field day 153. I know that because I look back at the videos. No, I knew what it was because I had to edit the I put 151 on 2 videos in a row and I had to edit it, so that's how I remember. Yeah, my memory ain't as sharp as it used to be, that's for sure. Hopefully I don't get mentally debilitated. Which, I don't know. It happens to a lot of people. Wait, look at this. Pretty clear today. You know, it didn't rain yesterday, so the water's clearing up. The only time it gets murky is, you know, when erosion is erosion is going on and it's washing a lot of mud out here. Oh yeah, it looks nice. Got my toes in the rock. I don't have my drink in my hand. My toes in the sand. I got coffee in my hand most of the time and rocks in my toes in the rocks. But this ain't rocks. Look at that. Woo! You see the rock right there? I got a stretch right here right now that's really smooth. I mean, it's silky smooth. Anyway, you see me right there walking. Boom, boom, boom. In case you think I brought the silky sand. There you see the rocks I'm usually walking in right there. But you know, walking on rocks is good for your feet as long as they're not sharp. Keep that in mind. Walk on some rocks today. Get out there in the field or wherever you're at, the city. I wouldn't advise walking on rocks in the city because when it's on the pavement like that, it can be dull. It got to give away a little bit. I'm gonna get my shorts wet. Keep going out there. Anyway, it's a good day to you. And look at this. Hello, Philippines. Vietnam will be right over there. I think that line was in the movie. Hello, Vietnam. I love the smell of napalm in the morning, or something like that, he said. I like the sound of that cement mixer rolling in the morning. That's what I like, not napalm. I would never like napalm because, shoot, it messes people up and messes the earth up. Heck no. I don't like no napalm. Crazy people. I like that though. Look at that. And look at this. You know, this whole thing, I don't know where the steel came from. Probably not the Philippines. But the rebar and angle iron and all that. But all that concrete came from here. Came right out of the river down the street. I show y'all all the time. That's where the sand and the rock come from. Because they go up far enough to get away from the salty. And that's where they get this stuff to build with. And they manage, with engineers, they manage the river. Keep it doing what they want. And mining it for rock and sand and selling it also. So that's a good thing. Manage the river so it don't flood out all the villages, stuff like that. So let's go check her out. I brought some 11 more kilos of welding rod. 10 kilos, 5 kilos of really good welding rod, and then some stuff they use just to tack it on there, and then they weld it with the good stuff. So they do that to automatically save money like that. tack it with inferior just to hold it in place, and then they come by with a bead up good. So that way they don't waste the good stuff when just holding it in place. So I'm not inclined to walk up at this thing right now because there's fire falling down there. See it? Fire in the sky. It's in the sky with diamonds. So this is where George is working today. Oh yeah, it's looking good up over there. That's a requirement, finishing it off like that. Even if it's going to be a drop seal. Which, you know, I don't want any snakes somehow getting in here, so. Spitting cobras. So. Wow, there's no really rain in the forecast. So, I guess I lost Jesus yesterday. Hate to see him go. You know, he was a good worker. He was the original gangster. Him and Marvin A. Fire. Oh. So that's what's going on. So yesterday, I get a good look at this. Romo was tagging that all the way around. But he also welded these supports up like this. And the reason for that is they're going to do a zigzag right here across the Raptor. Well, trust. Oh, that was clear. Clear, he was pulling on. That's to look at one of the angles in the truss. They better hope it don't keep raining. The rain is definitely not their friend or mine. that's not the way you really should be doing it. You should just block it at the road and let the water eat the road up, I guess. The city will take care of that, but I don't think it'll eat the road up. It'll just flow on down to the stream that comes out of the mountain. It's just be like a feeder stream for the other stream. That's how it's supposed to work anyway. The little streams go to a bigger stream, that go to a river, that go to the ocean. Not stream comes to the yard, comes to the ocean. Heck no. Nah. Alright. Peace out from 62-Rain. That's what they're doing right now. They're starting to put those angles in, which is going to be good to see. The angle for the trusses here, they already got the second one up. Give you a look at that. See that angle that angles down to the center, then straight down, then another angle, straight down. That's to keep stuff from flexing. Who's doing this? Who's doing this? Oh! It's more of an edge. All right. So that's a good thing, the roof truss angle. More support. And they're not done yet. They're going to keep weaving that in there. So, and I got the Bonnaroo welder rods. So, you know, the storms around here ain't no joke, even though we haven't had any since I got here. So, peace out from 62. I'll show you some progress later on. I assume that they're going to pour. They're going to weld these trusses in there. They're working on the inside to smooth it, and they're raising that wall up right there so that they got something to pour. That's all they were waiting on, because they don't want to buy any more wood because it's the end of it. You need something? You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Could have some bad boy at 10. Is that a good get? You got plain bread there.
Yeah.
For the petrol.
There?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go check on that, make sure it's happening.
Yeah.
All right.
Take it down.
All right. They say this one is better than the last one, so we'll see.
Sir?
They say this one is better than the last one, so we'll see.
Yeah.
Y'all will be the judge.
Yeah.
Thumbs up or down. We'll go back to the old place.
Yeah.
Whew. All right, that's it. So there's a inside wall smoothing team, filling the gap team. It's George and JoJo right now, and then both Marvins are raising the forms up, and Bernard and Run are welding the support for the trusses, and Renaud and Gary is running the show there, and Renaud is cutting the angle bar to weld into the trusses that are also got 10 mm weaved in them, so to bring more strength. So, and Jesus got a substitute there, but you know, I was fond of Jesus, so hopefully whatever was wrong, he'll come back, but not sure about that. So farewell, Jesus. He was the original guy here that when there was nothing, and not even this Bakubo, and they started building that shed right there. Well, I did get the Bakubo down here first, that's right. And then first thing to be built was that shed right there. And Gary, you know, the foreman, he was still working on a roof of another house he built. Hey, you know, this is what retirement's all about. You know, when you get tired, you get hot, you just retreat to the AC, kick it for a little while, you know, that's how Superman does it too. So cool off, go out and get hot again, you know. Got things to do today, but it's always time for a little bit of cooling off and kicking in, you know, scanning my, answer some questions, or give a nice thumbs up to somebody for commenting. You know, I got time for that because that's part of my job too. So that's what I do. That's what I do. All right, y'all guys have a great day. Peace. So it's raining again at Nirvanaville right now, but I don't think it's going to be adding up to enough to you know, check the dam up there to see if we got everything in the right place or not. It's not raining enough for that. It's just like a shower. So I wanted it to rain real hard again, at least for a few minutes, so we could see, make sure the river is going on the other side of our barrier. That's the goal. So he's reluctant to lock it down with cement right now till we see where does it go. Anyway, you see it's raining. It's just like a normal rain, a normal hard rain, not a tropical deluge. All right, we'll go up there in a few minutes and give you a peek of what's going on up there. Till then. So everybody's in here. It's raining. That's good. Can't stop them. can't touch this. Can't stop it. Wow. So the river, it don't come here now, even before the cement. Hey Gary. Gary, it does leak. It leaks. See it come flowing right there?
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
The bamboo right near that bamboo.
Yeah. Put the cementer.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So it comes down there and finds a way through there. Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah. It's just going right through there. It's them big rocks under
Ito
there.
na rumah to.
Damn it.
Can destroy the bagging. Cement use. Need cement. Need cement.
Yeah. A lot of it.
Yeah.
None of that's going over there still. Damn it. Good. Oh. Yeah, that guy don't want to put nothing there. If we cement it, it might work. Pack that out with putty. And then cement the other side. That's disappointing. the river will not run down the hill of 62 to freedom. No way.